Out on the water at the break of dawn, sunlight dancing as we push along. The Lund beneath me, steady and true, built for the journey, built for the blue. Through the ripples, through the waves, chasing dreams on open lakes. From the shallows to the deep, she's the one I trust to keep. Lund Boats, cutting through the tide, built for the legends, built for the ride. Casting lines where the big ones hide. On a line, we're side by side. Minnesota made with a fisherman's hand, crafted tough to withstand the land. From the rivers wide to the northern shore, Lund's been leading since 48 or more. Through the white caps, through the rain, she'll bring me home again. Every catch, every fight, Lund's my vessel, day or night. Lund Boats, cutting through the tide, built for the legends, built for the ride. Casting lines where the big ones hide. On a line, we're side by side. Whether it's walleye, bass or pike, this boat holds the stories of my life. Generations come and go, but a Lund still leads the flow. So here's to the water, here's to the way, here's to the Lund that guides my day. No matter where these waters run, I know my Lund will get it done. A tribute to the craftsmanship, legacy, and ventures that come with owning a Lund boat. Would you like any adjustments to the style or tone? Whether it's walleye, bass, or pike, this boat holds the stories of my life. Generations come and go, but a Lund still leads the flow.